During my stay in Oxford, when I was doing Masters in Major Program Management, if I have to give credit to one subject which I already knew, but that changed my whole mindset and perspective, then I would say it's risk management. And when we talk about the project and program management, one of the key definition is that they are unique and temporary. But when I talk about the concept of risk, they say that yes, projects and programs are unique, but risks are not. And that is the most, I would say, stunning part of the overall course. When you look at the data says that we don't do risk management in a proper way. Ideally, 90% of the risk of projects and programs are known, but still we say that scope got changed, funds got changed, resources were not available, data was not right, weather has changed, geological data was incorrect. But the point is that they all are causes, not the root causes. Root cause is actually optimistic biasness and strategic misrepresentation. Optimistic biasness means that you said that you have a lot of experience, you are successful in one area or two area, and now you can deal this thing the way you were dealing previously, and it's not going to work. Same, maybe you know that the program will not be done on time, or you will be having difficulties in achieving the intended benefit, but you said let's comment, let's say, and then the program will be liability of an organization and they have to complete it. So it's better to plan it from a risk perspective upfront and see how you can achieve the results with the right contingency reserve, not the reserve that we typically keep 5% to 10% and then we exhaust almost 90 to 80% of the time in our projects. So if you want to understand how to identify and plan your risks in a program and see the impact of a program and set the right timelines or set the right expectation in terms of costs and benefits, then do join our program management with corporate startup workshop. Thank you.